Blue Dot. Cultivating Love for Learning.
Chapter 7 Windows More to explore. In this chapter, Operating System, Wallpaper, Starting Windows, Icons, Desktop, Taskbar. Operating System. Windows is the most common and popular operating system. It is very simple and easy to use. It has many features with which we need not remember commands to use it. You can use Windows with the help of a mouse only. Windows is simple because it uses pictures, audio, video, etc., which is easy to understand and work upon. Windows is a GUI, graphic user interface, based operating system. A GUI operating system uses pictures in place of writing commands. Why do we use Windows operating system? It is picture-based and easy to understand. It is easy to learn and use. It can be used with a mouse only. There is no need of writing commands. There is no need to remember any commands. It allows you to work on many programs at the same time. Starting Windows. When you switch on the computer, the following screen appears automatically. This screen displays that Windows OS is being uploaded into your computer memory. The starting of a computer is also known as booting of a computer. Let's now learn about the various components of Windows OS. Desktop. The first screen you see after starting the computer is known as the desktop. The desktop is the first screen of Windows. Taskbar. Taskbar is placed at the bottom of the desktop. It contains a start button on the left side and a clock on the right side. Wallpaper. You can see different pictures on the desktop. These pictures on the desktop are known as the wallpaper. You can also change the wallpaper of your desktop. To change the wallpaper, you can follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Step 2. Click on Personalize from the shortcut menu. A Display Properties dialog box gets displayed. Step 3. Click on Desktop Background option. Step 4. A number of options for wallpaper are available under the Background option. Choose one of the options. Step 5. Click on OK button. Icons. When you want to open a particular chapter of a book, you see the page number in the contents and then open the page. This saves the time searching the chapter in all the pages. Same way icons work as shortcuts to run a program. Icons are the small pictures that you see on the desktop. These icons help you in running the program directly. For example, if you want to play a game, one way is to search the game in list of programs and running it. The other shorter way is by opening the game using the game icon on the desktop. Some common icons you see on your desktop. My Documents. My Documents is a folder where you normally save the work. Every time you save your work, it goes to My Documents. You can simply open the folder by double-clicking the My Document icon on the desktop to work in your saved file. My Computer. My Computer is another folder which has the information of your files and other details of your computer. It allows you to change the mouse settings, keyboard settings, and many other important things. Recycle bin. A recycle bin is another important icon on the desktop. A recycle bin is a dustbin of your computer and works exactly like your kitchen dustbin. All the files deleted or erased by you get stored in the recycle bin. Recycle bin comes to use when you delete any of the files by mistake or if you need a deleted file. The file remains in the recycle bin till you empty it. My Network Places. My Network Places icon helps you to connect your computer with other computer and also gives information about computer connected to your computer. Using an icon. it is very important to learn how to use an icon. You can open the icon to run the program. You can also rename the icon with the name of your choice. Steps to run a program using an icon. Step 1. Take the mouse pointer to the icon of the program you want to run, suppose Windows Media Player. Step 2. Double-click using left button when the pointer is on the icon. If you find double-clicking difficult, you can first select the icon by clicking once using left mouse button. When the icon gets selected, press the Enter key on the keyboard to run the program. Otherwise, right-click the selected icon and open in the popped-up menu. This will run the program linked to the icon. Renaming an icon. You can always rename or give a name of your choice to an icon. For example, you can rename an icon of a game with the name of your choice. Steps to rename the icon. Step 1. Take the mouse pointer on the icon. Step 2. Click once using the right mouse button. The icon gets selected and a menu pops up. Step 3. Take the mouse pointer to the option Rename in the list. Step 4. Click once using left mouse button. The name gets selected and a text cursor starts blinking. Step 5. Type the new name you want to give using the keyboard. Step 6. Press the Enter key or click using the left mouse button. This will rename the icon with new name. Summary. Windows is the most common and popular operating system. Windows is GUI, Graphic User Interface, based operating system. The first screen you see after starting the computer is known as the desktop. A desktop has small pictures known as icons. Recycle bin is a dustbin of your computer.
Like, share, subscribe.